Hey class, it's Miss French, and today we are going to be going over subtraction, but not the easy subtraction because we already know how to do that. We're going to learn how to do the long subtraction, and we're going to learn a fun way to do it, but first we got to review. So I'm going to write some problems on the board, and we're going to answer them together. It's just easy subtraction. We've already done this before. Alright, the first problem is 7 minus 3. So we're going to have 7 in our head. Okay, we've got 7 in our head, and we have to take away 3. So 7, 6, 5, 4. The answer is 4. Alright, I'm going to give us another problem. I'll make this one a little bit harder. Alright, we've got 9 minus 6, or 9 take away 6. So this is how we're going to do this. We're going to do 9 in our head. Alright, we've got that. We're going to hold up 6 fingers. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So our answer is 3. Class, you guys are just doing such a good job. Okay, so I am going to demonstrate first how to do this wrap so that we can get it as a class, and then we're all going to do it together, okay? So when you're doing subtraction problems, if you get stuck, think about this wrap, and I'm going to write it on the board too, so you can always look at it if you get stuck. So first, we're going to take out a marker. Miss French has got her marker right here. We're going to have to make a beat. And I'm thinking of a beat like, I think that sounds good. Okay, I'm going to say it really slow the first time, and then I'll do it one more time to make sure we got it, okay? So, gotta get our beat going. More on top. No need to stop. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same. Zero's the game. And that's a wrap of how you subtract. And I'm not really good at making a beat, guys. I'm super sorry, but that's the wrap. I told you so the wrap is going to be written on the board, so here it is. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the light blaring, but it's okay. I'm going to walk you through it. And like I said, I'm going to say a line. You repeat what I say. Okay, I'm not going to do a beat this time, but here it is on the board, so I want you guys to really visualize and think about what you're saying, because we're going to use this here in a little bit. Alright, first line, more on top, you guys say it, no need to stop, more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more, numbers the same, zero's the game. And that's the wrap. Know that wrap. How to subtract. We're going to know how to do these. They're going to be easy peasy. I'm going to try to pick an easy one at first. But we're super smart, so we got this. Alright, let me get on this side so you guys can see a little bit better. So I've got 23 minus 11, or 23 take away 11. Okay, so we're going to look at this right now, and it looks really scary because this number is a double-digit number, and this number is a double-digit number. But we're going to make it easy peasy. We're not going to worry. We don't worry in this class. And the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to take my red chalk, and we're going to cross our fingers so that it shows up, is we're going to put a line between the numbers right here. Can you see that? Okay. So we got a line between our numbers, so we divided them. We cut them in half. We're going to make it easier, okay? Alright, so we're just going to pretend this isn't there right now. So we're looking at this, and we see 3 take away 1. Well, we already know how to do those problems, don't we? We've done those before. Those are easy. So we can do that no problem. So we are going to do 3 take away 1. So how do we do that? We put 3 in our head. So we got 3 in our head. We're going to take away 1. So 3, 2. Easy. So what do? We just write a 2 right here. Okay. But we're not done because we did this part, but now we got to do the other half because it's a big number. So right here, this is another easy peasy. 2 take away 1. Okay, so this is easy too. We've done this before too. So we just have to put 2 in our head. We've got 2 in our head. We take away 1. 2, 1. 1. Write our 1 here. Our answer is 12. All right. That was an easy one. Now we're going to try something a little bit harder so we can use our wrap, okay? And don't freak out because these are easy. You just can't worry, all right? So I'm going to do a bigger number. Actually, I'm going to write a little bit bigger so maybe it'll show up so we can see. All right. So, that's easier to see. Should have wrote it bigger the first time. Okay, so we've got 88, take away 25. So, we're going to make it easy peasy because we know how to do this. We've done easy problems. These are easy. So, we're going to put a line through the middle like we did on our last one. But this time, I want us to think about our wrap, okay? So we got more on top, no need to stop. So we're going to look at this one. We're going to see, is there more on top? Because if there's more on top, we don't have to stop. All right. 8 take away 5. Is there more on top? Is 8 bigger than 5? It is. So there's more on top. There's no need to stop. So, we're going to do this in our head. 8 in our head, we're going to take away 5. So, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Alright. Now we got to go to the other side. Okay. So, we got 8 in our head. And we got to take away 2. So 8, 7, 6. 63 is the answer. And easy peasy. Look how easy that is to subtract big numbers. It's not hard at all. All right, so now we've got 63 minus 39, or 63, and we're going to take away 39. Whoa, these numbers, they're scary. They're scary, but we're going to make them easy, okay? So the first thing we do, which we always do this because it makes it way easy for us, we're going to put a line through the middle. Alright, that's not so scary now. We got to do 3, take away 9, and 6, take away 3. So we're going to think back to our wrap. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, move next door and get 10 more. Alright, so we know that. Alright, we got our wrap down. We're going to look back at this. Is there more on top? Is 3 bigger than 9? No. There's more on the floor this time because 9 is bigger than 3. So, what does our rap say? More on the floor, move next door, and get 10 more. Okay, I don't want anybody to worry because this is easy. We know our rap tells us exactly what to do, right? Okay, so we got to move next door and get 10 more. So, when we move next door and get 10 more, we're going to take away 1 from the 6. So, 6 in our head, we're going to take away 1, 6, 5. Okay, so we have that, and then we got to get 10 more. So we took 1 away from the 6, and we're going to add 1 to our 3. So now we have a 13. So let's think back to our rap. Do we have more on top right here? So we don't need to stop. Okay. So what's 13 minus 9? We got to put 13 in our head, and we're going to hold up 9 fingers. Okay. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So the answer is 4. See how easy peasy that was? Alright, now we just got to do the other part of the problem and we're done. We know how to subtract. We got this in the bag. We got to do 5, take away 3. Easy peasy again. So we're going to put 5 in our head and we're going to take away 3. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Answer is 2. And when you put them together, 63 take away 39 is 24. Super easy. You guys are awesome and you know how to subtract. Have a good day.